All right, so the directions are telling us to state whether or not each expression is a polynomial in one variable. If it's not, explain, and then state the degree and leading coefficient. So it's asking us to classify by degree. All right, so looking at the first one, my highest degree is a 5, and as I'm looking at this, there's no extra variables in here. So yes, this is a polynomial in one variable. And then since our highest degree is a 5, that means that this is a quintic equation. And our leading coefficient, okay, so I'm going to abbreviate that as LC, is the number in front. So that's going to be 8. All right, next one, looking at it, we have both an x and a y. So this is not a polynomial in one variable because there are two variables. All right, third problem. So again, my highest degree is a 3. So and as I'm looking at this, we only have the one variable. So yes, this is a polynomial in one variable. Again, highest degree is a 3, so that's a cubic equation. And we want the number in front of that, so our leading coefficient is -5. Next one, so again, looking at this, I only have one variable, no negative exponents. So yes, this is a polynomial in one variable. My highest degree is 4, so that means that we have a quartic equation. And our leading coefficient is -2. All right, next example. So looking at this, we have an x in the denominator. So if we go back and remember our power rules, so if I have 4 over x, that means that I can rewrite this as 4x to the -1. So because of this negative exponent, this now makes this no longer a polynomial. So no, because of the negative exponent of negative power. Okay, so it's not a polynomial function because we have a variable in the denominator. So anytime that happens, we assume that this is going to have a negative exponent with it. It is no longer a polynomial in one variable. And the last one, so again, yes, this is a polynomial. Even though we don't write it, we have a power of 1, so that makes it linear. And our leading coefficient is 3. And again, just for practice, we're going to go back through and classify by the number of terms for the ones that are polynomials. Okay? So looking at problem 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So this would be a poly of 5. This one's not, so we're not going to classify it. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a polynomial of 4 terms. Fourth problem, we have 1, 2, 3. So that would make this a trinomial. Okay, again, we're not going to classify problem 5. And here we have 2 terms, so this is a binomial.